Today, we're sharing New Year gift ideas perfect for anyone on your list, and you'll be surprised when you see number 12. A tiny astronaut standing on the moon, quietly filling the room with light. Blank ceilings turn into deep space skies, scattered with soft colors and quiet motion, gentle enough for sleep, calming enough for late-night thoughts. It adds a sense of peace, curiosity, and just a touch of magic, perfect for a bedroom, a reading nook, or anywhere that could use a little wonder. Built for travelers, gym-goers, and daily adventurers, this spacious yet lightweight bag redefines convenience. With a sleek foldable design, it takes up virtually no space when not in use, but expands into a roomy travel companion when needed. Whether you're heading to the airport, packing for a weekend getaway, or just need extra space for shopping, this bag flexes to fit your life. The multiple compartments help you stay organized. From the main section that fits clothes and shoes to smaller pockets, perfect for your phone, chargers, passport, or toiletries. The rear strap easily slides over your suitcase handle, turning it into the perfect carry-on. Water-resistant fabric keeps your items protected from sudden weather changes, while the reinforced stitching and durable zippers ensure it stands up to everyday use. And when the trip's over, just fold it back into its compact form and tuck it away. No bulk, no hassle, just a smart, stylish way to carry more without weighing yourself down. This mini power bank fits right on your keychain and powers your phone when you need it most. No cables, no hassle, just plug in and charge. Compact, fast, and always ready. It's the backup you'll always be glad you brought. Start your day like a silent warrior. This ninja-themed ceramic mug comes fully equipped with a black mask sleeve, a katana-shaped spoon, and a shuriken-style lid. It's more than just clever design. The ceramic holds heat well, and the spoon rests snugly in its side holster. Perfect for coffee, tea, or a stealthy late-night snack break. Adds a fun, bold twist to your daily routine without taking itself too seriously. With its soft glow and cheerful design, this pear-shaped night lamp brings warmth to any room. Tap to adjust the brightness. Perfect for bedtime reading or a calming atmosphere. Its flexible silicone body and happy face make it a charming companion for both kids and adults. Light that feels like art. This crystal-style acrylic lamp reflects colors in a way that completely changes the mood of your space. From soft and warm to bright and vivid, it can glow in countless shades to match your style. Portable, rechargeable, and ready to bring a touch of elegance anywhere you place it. One lamp, endless ways to light your world. Support and rest, always within reach. This foldable walking chair stick transforms from a stable walking cane into a comfortable seat in seconds. Lightweight yet durable, with anti-slip rubber feet for safety on any surface. Perfect for elderly users, travelers, or anyone who needs a quick break on the go. Easy to fold, carry, and store. No tools needed. Stay independent, stay comfortable, wherever life takes you. A daily ritual made beautiful. This elegantly crafted ceramic mug comes with a built-in filter that lets you steep loose leaf tea with ease. No extra tools, no mess. Just add your favorite leaves, pour hot water, and let the magic unfold. When it's ready, lift the filter and enjoy a clean, aromatic brew right in your cup. The matte finish, wooden handle, and thoughtful design make it feel like more than just a mug. It's a moment of calm in your hands. Perfect for workdays, slow mornings, or anyone who wants a little more ceremony in their tea routine. A clean modern lamp that adapts to your space. Touch to switch, fold to adjust, and use it however you like. Standing, hanging, or flat. Soft light when you want to relax, bright focus when you need to work. Simple, warm, and always useful. Bright colors and simple shapes make learning feel more like play here. Kids can stack, rotate, and mix the pieces to recognize numbers, practice counting, and build basic equations at their own pace. The chunky design is easy for small hands to grip, and the magnetic pieces stay together while they explore different combinations. It's a hands-on way to build early math skills, keep curiosity active, and turn practice time into something engaging instead of repetitive. A delicate necklace that says more than words. Two minimalist figures locked in a warm embrace, captured in metal. This piece is more than just jewelry. It's a quiet reminder of love, closeness, and connection you can carry with you every day. Looking for a cheeky gift that's both funny and wearable? This playful underwear adds a lighthearted twist to your surprise. Perfect for couples who love to laugh, keep things fun, and enjoy sharing inside jokes together. It's a hilarious yet affectionate way to say, "I thought of you," and couldn't resist. This little roller turns math practice into something a lot more fun and a lot less intimidating. With one smooth motion across the page, it prints a clean row of questions that are instantly ready to solve. The wheels move easily, the numbers come out sharp every time, and kids can use it on their own without needing extra prep or stacks of worksheets. It's great for homework sessions, warm-ups before class, or quick practice breaks during the day. Teachers can use it to create fast exercises, and parents can bring a bit of variety into study time. The cute design makes it feel more like a toy than a study tool, which helps kids stay engaged longer. Brew tea the easy way with this heat-resistant glass teapot. Designed for elegance, built for everyday comfort. Just add your favorite loose leaves, pour in hot water, and press the button on top. The tea filters through gently, giving you a smooth, clean pour without oversteeping. Its transparent body lets you enjoy the color and clarity of each brew, while the ergonomic handle ensures a steady, confident grip. Whether it's a peaceful morning routine or an evening with guests, this teapot turns every moment into a small celebration of tea, simplicity, and warmth. If your kid gets bored in 2 minutes, this little game might just save your day. It's a mini bowling set, but instead of rolling a ball, you're launching a frog. Yep, a frog. You press down, it jumps forward, and if you're lucky, it crashes right into the pins. It's silly, it's loud, and somehow it keeps everyone at the table entertained for way longer than expected. No batteries, no screens, just pure low-tech fun. And don't be surprised if the adults get just as competitive as the kids. Your cozy space deserves to feel fresh, clean, and truly dust-free. This compact yet powerful device goes beyond surface cleaning by targeting what your eyes can't see: microscopic mites, dust, and allergens hiding deep in your fabrics. With its UV sterilization and strong suction, it doesn't just clean, it purifies. Whether you're working on your mattress, sofa, or carpet, it glides smoothly and quietly, delivering thorough cleaning without the bulky hassle of traditional vacuums. The ergonomic handle and cordless design make it incredibly easy to maneuver, while the transparent dust container gives instant feedback on just how much it's capturing. It's the kind of tool you didn't know you needed until you experience how fresh your home feels afterward. This tiny arcade-style boxing game is more fun than it has any right to be. Just pull back your finger and flick the little punch pad, watch the lights flash and the score jump like you're in your own mini tournament. It's part stress relief, part silly fun, and weirdly addictive once you get into it. Great for passing the time at your desk, competing with friends, or just giving your fingers something to do besides scrolling. It's playful, nostalgic, and guaranteed to get a few laughs. A lighter like this blends craftsmanship with everyday usefulness. The slim metal body folds open in a smooth, satisfying motion, and once you spark it, the flame holds steady even when the wind picks up. It feels solid without being heavy, slips easily into a pocket, and carries that old-school charm you don't see much anymore. Whether you use it outdoors or keep it as a reliable daily tool, it adds a touch of character while staying practical.